After living with more trading bots than I'd like to publicly admit, I've learned that the loud ones beg for attention, while the steady ones quietly earn respect. And after using Aisha Gold EA in my own trading for a fair amount of time now, this one clearly falls into the second category. So, alright, here's my honest walkthrough from the perspective of someone who has already tested Aisha Gold EA beyond the curiosity phase. Let's start at ground level, because first impressions matter. You right-click the zip file, choose the extract option, and everything opens cleanly with the Aisha Gold EA EX4 file. A README and proper installation instructions. No clutter, no confusion, which already tells me Aisha Gold EA is designed for traders who prefer clarity over theatrics. Now, this is where I spent most of my time, because MyFXBook doesn't flatter anyone. On MyFXBook, Aisha Gold EA shows a gain of around 46.82% with the same absolute gain, built from total deposits of about $169.98 and growing the balance to roughly $249.57, generating a profit close to $79.59 with zero withdrawals, which signals organic growth rather than cosmetic accounting. Monthly performance sits near 36.08%. Daily average hovers around 0.94%, and drawdown stays controlled at roughly 10.17%, which is impressive for a gold-focused strategy. Trade history shows around 160 total trades on XAUUSD, with a strong win rate near 82%, producing close to 7,959 pips overall. What stood out to me while watching Aisha Gold EA run is how it balances frequent opportunities with discipline, allowing winners to expand while keeping losses measured. And the equity curve reflects that with a steady upward slope instead of erratic spikes, which is exactly what long-term traders want to see from Aisha Gold EA. Okay, let's go to the backtesting part, short and factual. Using MT4 with an initial deposit of $10,000, Aisha Gold EA delivered a total net profit of about $1,193.29, gross profit around $323.44, gross loss near $516.72, and a profit factor of approximately 0.63. Absolute drawdown stays close to 196.40, maximal drawdown around 397.30 or 3.89%, and total trades reach roughly 1,790, which confirms that Aisha Gold EA favors high-frequency execution while still keeping drawdown under control. So yes, after personally running Aisha Gold EA, breaking down its MyFXBook data, and verifying the MT4 backtesting numbers with real amounts, I can say Aisha Gold EA is available on our website. And to know more about it, just check the description for full details. If you want updates, ongoing discussions, and real user insights around Aisha Gold EA, alright, join our Telegram group as well, because that's where the conversation continues beyond this review.